Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Everyone, please start a video.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. All of you, please start your video.
Yes, sir. Opening, sir, in 1 minute.
क्या हुआ, दो बच्चे अचानक से छोड़ गए मीटिंग? Okay, so yeah, which chapter we are doing?
Sir, we have from 4.2, question number 3.
Exercise 4.2 we have started.
Yes, sir. Answer question number 3.
Question number 3. ठीक है बेटा. We have done exercise 4.2 question 1 we have discussed.
Yes, sir. Yesterday, Gaurav sir has told us question number 1 and question number 2. So today we have to start from question number 3.
Okay. क्वेश्चन 1 और 2 एक बार फिर से ऐसे ओरली डिस्कस कर लेते हैं if there is no problem. Identify parallel line segments from the following figure. Parallel or perpendicular lines, do you all know what are parallel lines, what are perpendicular lines?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so just I'm just drawing two lines on the board. You will tell me इनमें से कौन सा पेयर parallel lines का है, कौन सा पेयर perpendicular lines का है. Okay, so this is first line. This is the second line. So these are what? Parallel lines or perpendicular lines?
Sir, line segment.
These are not line segments. These are two lines, and the two lines are parallel to each other. Okay.
Yes, sir.
These two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, and one more pair. Let me draw another pair of lines.
Sir, this is perpendicular. Perpendicular.
These two lines are perpendicular or parallel? These are perpendicular lines. Very good, because the angle between the two lines is 90 degree. तो इसलिए हम बोलेंगे ये दोनों perpendicular lines हैं. तो this is case B and this is case A. Case A में जो दोनों lines हैं, these are parallel lines, and case B में जो दोनों lines हैं, these are perpendicular lines. Okay. So parallel lines क्या होती हैं? Can anyone define what are parallel lines?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, parallel lines are the lines
which are opposite to each other and are running in the same direction.
Anyone else?
Sir, that are parallel to each other.
So what we are doing now?
Beta, we are discussing about parallel lines and perpendicular lines.
So can I draw this in my copy?
No, you don't have to draw.
Okay, sir.
We were discussing what are parallel lines and what are perpendicular lines. So I was discussing with everyone whether these two lines are parallel or perpendicular. कैसी lines हैं ये?
These two lines are parallel.
In the first case, case A,
These are parallel.
these are parallel. In case B, the two lines are perpendicular. Parallel lines, I was asking what is the definition of
perpendicular lines?
perpendicular lines are those in which the angle between the two lines is 90 degrees. दोनों lines के बीच में अगर 90 degree angle है, then the two lines will be called as perpendicular lines. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so yeah, tell me whether what are parallel lines? Sorry, what are parallel lines? I was asking the definition. Can anyone define?
That cannot be joined. So parallel lines are lines that cannot be joined.
Okay, I understand what you mean to say. Actually, the proper definition is parallel lines are those which never meet each other. The lines which never meet each other are known as parallel lines. आप चाहे कितना भी produce. Yes, you can write down the definition. So if you even produce the two lines, अगर मैं इन दोनों lines को आगे भी produce कर देता हूँ, जैसे कि मान लीजिए, do you know that we can produce lines? We can extend lines further. So I am producing the two lines. Are the two lines going to meet each other ever? No, because they are parallel. The distance between the two lines remains constant everywhere. दोनों लाइंस के बीच का जो डिस्टेंस है वो सब जगह सेम है. देखिए यहाँ पर भी बराबर गैप है दोनों लाइंस के बीच में, यहाँ पर भी गैप जो है वो बराबर है. आगे भी अगर हम देखेंगे तो गैप दोनों लाइंस के बीच में सेम रहेगा. अंडरस्टूड? द गैप इज नॉट इंक्रीजिंग और डिक्रीजिंग. अगर गैप इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज हो गया तो लाइंस पैरेलल नहीं होंगी. ओके, so parallel lines are those which never meet each other and the distance between the two parallel lines is always constant. Constant का मतलब होता है same. ठीक है, एक बात और सुनिए. अगर if suppose the gap is changing, now you will tell me, I am giving you another case. You all will tell me in this case whether the lines are what, parallel or not. Okay. देखिए first line and the second line, are the two lines meeting each other? ये दोनों lines एक दूसरे को meet कर रहे हैं. They will meet if produced. Very good. Correct.
These are intersecting lines.
Yes, the lines which are not parallel, we are going to call them as intersecting lines. ये दोनों lines parallel नहीं है because the distance is not constant. यहाँ पर देखिए gap यहाँ पे ज्यादा है ना, दोनों lines के बीच में gap. यहाँ पर थोड़ा कम हो गया, यहाँ पे और कम हो गया, और आगे जाएंगे तो और कम हो जाएगा. आगे प्रोड्यूस कर देंगे तो गैप इतना कम हो जाएगा that both the lines will intersect each other. So that is why they are called as intersecting lines. देखो मीट हो गई दोनों लाइंस, कट कर रही हैं. So that means these lines are not parallel lines, they are intersecting lines. Can we call perpendicular lines also as intersecting lines? Perpendicular lines are intersecting or not?
So yes, they are intersecting.
Perpendicular lines are intersecting lines because बिना intersect करे 90 degree angle कैसे form होगा? Okay, so perpendicular lines are always intersecting. तो मैंने दो केस अभी बताए थे. I am going to write the names also. parallel lines and perpendicular. So this is the case of perpendicular lines where the angle between the two lines is always 90 degrees. Can you give me an example of perpendicular lines? Parallel lines के example दे सकते हो? Live example from anywhere near you? आसपास या कहीं पर भी देखा हो आपने parallel lines के example? Live
So
example.
stairs, the wooden stairs.
Wooden stairs,
Parallel.
the bars of the wooden stairs, the handles of the wooden stairs you are talking about. Very
Yes,
good,
sir.
you are right. They are parallel. Correct answer. Book, yes, the opposite sides of book are parallel. Very nice. Correct answer, Abhay Rana. Can we say the railway track are also parallel?
The railway
Railway
track.
tracks.
Yes, sir.
रेलवे ट्रैक्स दो होते हैं ना, साथ साथ ये दोनों चल रहे होते हैं. दे आर पैरेलल. यस.
So
रेलवे
a
ट्रैक
packet
देखो.
of pencil colors, a packet of pencil colors.
A packet of pencil colors. Any two pencils are capped in it. They are parallel. Correct. कोई भी दो ले लीजिए. They are parallel pencils. Perpendicular का एग्जांपल बताओ.
Sir,
scale.
sir, can we?
The scale.
स्केल में परपेंडिकुलर, स्केल में पैरेलल होते हैं, परपेंडिकुलर भी होते हैं स्केल में.
Triangle.
बुक में जैसे अभी अब है नहीं, ट्राइंगल में भी होता है, बट दैट इज नोन एज अ राइट ट्राइंगल. राइट ट्राइंगल में दो लाइंस परपेंडिकुलर हो सकती हैं. अब है एक बार फिर से बुक दिखाइए. कैन यू सी परपेंडिकुलर लाइन इन द बुक?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
any two lines which are adjacent. कोई भी दो लाइंस जो adjacent है यहाँ पर. adjacent lines कौन सी होती है?
Like this.
हाँ, जो दोनों लाइंस. yes, absolutely correct. Shraddha is also right. She is also showing it on the screen. Abhay is also showing it. कोई भी दो लाइंस जो बिल्कुल एक दूसरे से एक पॉइंट पे मीट होती है. देखो दोनों लाइंस एक कोने पर मीट हो रही है एक दूसरे से. तो ये वाली जो दोनों लाइंस हैं, these are perpendicular. Yes, absolutely correct.
So what is the definition of perpendicular line?
Definition of perpendicular lines which have 90-degree angle between them are known as perpendicular lines. The lines which have 90-degree angle between them are known as perpendicular lines. एक और एग्जांपल मैं दूं आपको perpendicular lines का. Have you ever drawn North Pole, South Pole and North, South, East, West directions कभी आपने बनाए हैं?
Yes, sir. They
मैं
are
बना
also
के दिखाऊंगा.
Sir,
Absolutely
yes, sir.
correct. They are also perpendicular like this. अगर यहाँ पर देखिए ये नॉर्थ होता है, ये साउथ, ये ईस्ट, सॉरी वेस्ट, ये ईस्ट. So can I say that the direction north and west are perpendicular to each other? North और west वाली जो direction जा रही हैं, they are
Yes, sir.
perpendicular. Yes.
sir.
ये देखिए perpendicular हैं एक दूसरे को, ये दोनों, because 90-degree angle है इनके बीच में. Can we say east, south and east are also perpendicular?
Yes, sir.
South and west are also perpendicular. The angle is again 90. And north and east is also perpendicular lines, pair of perpendicular lines. Okay. Got it? So lot of examples of both are all around us. हमारे सामने बहुत सारे examples हैं. ठीक है? Let us start the exercise. I hope the concept of parallel and perpendicular lines is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
बहुत difficult exercise है बच्चों ये.
No, sir.
No, sir.
I am giving you 10 minutes to complete the exercise. I think we can do the whole exercise in the book. Hanji?
Sir, we have done the second exercise.
Yes.
2 questions. So we have to start with the third question.
हाँ तो whatever, if you have done 2, then do the remaining 3. अगर नहीं करे हैं वो वाले 2 भी तो सारे करो. 10 minutes में
Sir,
कर लो
we have
जल्दी
to
से.
do-
I think.
Sir, we have
हाँ.
to do on book.
Yes, if required तो copy में करना, otherwise you can complete the exercise in the book only. I think अगर
Actually, I have done in my book, so can I do it in copy?
yes.
Yes, sir.
ओके, एक काम करो बच्चों, सारे बच्चे कॉपी में ही करो इसको. एवरीवन, ऑल ऑफ यू, जस्ट राइट द आंसर्स इन द कॉपी. डोंट ड्रॉ द फिगर्स. राइट द आंसर्स इन द कॉपी. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
ओके. ओके, स्टार्ट डूइंग ऑल ऑफ यू. आई एम गिविंग यू 10 minutes टाइम. जल्दी से करिए. Have you all completed? Completed, all of you?
Sir, I have completed the exercise till question 5.
Very good.
Sir, can I start 4.3?
Just wait, beta. Wait, abhi start. Yes.
Can you write the fifth question of this exercise
Yes,
on the
sir.
board? I'm not able
Yes.
to
Okay. Sure. Sure. I will explain the fifth question on the board. Don't worry. Just wait for a minute.
Sir, I done that.
In question number 5, all of you, in question 5, we have to draw 4 lines. The names of the lines are P, R, S, and T. Okay. And how do we have to draw? We have to draw lines. R is parallel to S. The line R should be parallel to S. So, सबसे पहले I am drawing the line R. This is R, and it is parallel to S. S के parallel हमने इसको draw कर लिया. Okay. So these two are parallel, R and S, first of all. Sorry. Yeah. R and S, parallel lines. Okay. Now we have to draw 2 more lines such that P is parallel to T and P and T are perpendicular to both R and S. P और T जो lines हैं वो R और S के perpendicular होनी चाहिए दोनों and आपस में parallel होनी चाहिए. So how do we draw P parallel to R and S? So this is P. I am drawing.
plus type of there. Yes, sir,
Yeah.
like this only.
Very good. So this is P and T also is perpendicular to R and S. T भी perpendicular है R और S के. So this is T. Okay. And you can see P and T are automatically parallel to each other. This is P, this is T, and they both are parallel to each other. Whereas if we see R and S, they are perpendicular to P and T. And R and S, they are parallel to each other. So how do you show parallel lines?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta, just wait a minute. How do you show parallel lines? You make arrows like this.
Board.
You make arrows. If you make arrows on 2 lines like this, that means the 2 lines are parallel to each other. Similarly, on the lines P and T also I am drawing arrows. So ये दोनों arrows दिखा रहे हैं that line P is parallel to T. This is the symbol of how to show parallel lines. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
this is looking like a exo game board.
Yes. Right.
Yes.
Okay, understood everyone?
Yes, sir. Sir, can we start the next exercise now?
Okay, we will start the next exercise in the next class. We are ending the class here. All of you, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir, you are which class teacher? You
I
are
am
sir
better
of
7th
which
A.
class
I am
teacher?
class teacher of 7th A.